Hey guys, it's Rowan, and today we're going to be looking at the grocery bucket. Finley, look at me.
What?
Let's see what Finley says about the grocery. Hey Finley, this is the grocery gang. Look at the camera. What? Oh yeah. So we're going to look at some groceries. Here are some of the groceries inside. So the first grocery we have in this grocery gang collecting bucket is the old dusty eraser. You look so... He's so dusty because... Hey Finley, how you doing? Okay. It's Thomas the cat. Okay, so we got this guy, so we're gonna put him right there. Next up we have is power block. To make a power block you need electrical appliance and a lot of wires to make this. But he looks so good. So we're going to put him by old dusty old eraser. And then next you might have from the grocery gang series is the frozen cheese, which his name is Stinky. So the frozen cheese is actually frozen. We can't do good stuff with him. So we're gonna put him by them. And next up is the gross moldy cheese. We got 2 cheese guys in this. Like, what's up? Because we got 2 cheese. We gotta have cheese for days, like a mouse. What's that? Not me. So last we got the icicle. Actually, the ice cube. And instead of looking at all groceries from this bucket, we're gonna swipe that out the way. Good. Bye, bucket. So I got the grocery gang. And next up, we got the powered up egg head. There we go. And we got the Clean Team's truck. So we're gonna swipe the grocery gang. We're gonna put him in here and take them all. Ha ha ha! Take this groceries. Ha ha ha! Groceries. Powered up egghead won't save you. Ha ha ah! Get back in here, groceries. Here. Ha! Bye bye, egghead. Goodbye, powered up egghead. Do 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 do. Taking the groceries to my fans. Taking the groceries here. Boop. Oh, the grocery gang cannon. So this is the grocery gang truck, actually. I thought it was hey guys, I think we lost a character. Wait a second. Power block was missing. Hey Finley, that's the grocery gang's truck. This is the grocery gang truck. Come on, guys. This is the grocery gang truck. Hey, we got another grocery. His name is Powered Up Egghead. Yes, Powered Up Egghead. Oh, wait. We got frozen cheese. Can you take frozen cheese, too?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Wait, you forgot powered up egghead. Okay, family, watch this. If you pull up this weather like this, boom! The grocery truck has lost its gross. This is a fun toy you can play for hours and hours, and these little guys are so cool. They're almost like emojis, but they're so gross. Icky. Do, 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 do. Come on, come back. The grocery, the Yucky Mart is over here.
Look at the egg. That's an egg.
Oh. You said to go. Do, 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 do. There he is. Guys, here is the grocery gang with power this down. So if you guys enjoy, please thumbs up and subscribe. Say bye-bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
No, let me see your face. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. What's your favorite bendy game?
Me.
No, that's not a bendy game. It's... Okay, bye guys, for real. Bye-bye.